Well, good morning, everybody. How are you today? Pretty good here. And today I'm going to start a little series, I guess. I'm going to go over all of the mods in short videos, so they're not going to be some giant long video, of all the mods that I've done on my 2020 Jeep Gladiator back here. I get a lot of questions. People ask, where'd you get this? How do you like it? How's it holding up? So I thought we'll just do a series of short videos and let you guys know how these things are holding up. I'll also leave links down below so you guys can check it out if you want for current pricing, availability, and all that kind of stuff. So today we're going to start with the side steps. Are N-Fabs, and I gotta say, first of all, I love them. Now, I've left the truck dirty because I want you to see how they actually are in the real world, right? I mean, anybody can get on here and put a shiny brand new piece on and tell you it's great, but I want you to see how it really fares in typical life, right? So, first of all, you can see how or where it picks up the dirt. Really not too bad. The truck hasn't been washed in probably at least 2 weeks. So doesn't pick up a whole lot. Obviously, being outside and behind the tires, it's going to pick up stuff, but not too bad. As far as the finish goes, they are powder coated. There are no chips or any rust. You guys can see it hasn't been cleaned up. There's no rust or anything like that. So they've held up actually really well. Now, the one thing I will say about these, when I got them, these little end caps are just plastic, right? They just kind of go inside and are held by friction or force, I guess. When I got mine, this cap in particular and the one on the other side were in too far. It's like they take a mallet and beat them in. And actually, the metal here on the edge had cut through the lip of the plastic, so the whole piece was starting to go inside the tube. I had them replaced. No problems. N-Fab did send me replacements, although I will say it is a common problem because the customer service person I talked to told me that they were out and they get lots of requests for these, and he actually took a set off of an existing pair and sent them to me. I could tell that because the part that goes inside was kind of smashed a little bit. Not a big deal because that's what happens when you put them in anyway. So just something to be aware of. You're probably going to have to replace those on yours if you go with these. Now, as far as the steps go, that's the most important part, right? I like that these are nice and big. You can fit your foot on there. You don't have to be precision when you step up on them. And they have these little holes in them that stick up, if you will, so you get good traction when you get in and out of the Jeep. Now, as far as installation goes, they're just bolt-on. There's already holes in the Jeep to do this. There's no drilling or anything like that. You can see the bolts here, and you can see the bolts here in the front, and then this one actually goes on from the back. Aesthetically, I think they look fantastic. They cover up the pinch weld on the side. When you're looking like this, you can't see that pinch weld. A lot of the other brands hang down further, and you can see that. Kind of looks a little unfinished. What I'm talking about is this area right back here. Now, functionally, let's do a quick little demonstration. And I would hope everybody out there knows how to get in and out of their Jeep. How I get in the truck, I just grab the grab handle, of course, and then with my left foot, I step up on it, and there you can see how there's plenty of room for my giant 9.5/10 size shoe. And then I just step in, right? I mean, they do what they're supposed to do. There's a lot of other brands out there where that step is narrower, and while it may be less visible, I guess, or more sleek, the whole point is to be able to get in and out of the truck, right? I like these because they're big enough, but not too big. Getting out, same thing in reverse, but I step with my right foot. So I grab the handle, step out, and it's really just to kind of steady myself as I get out. You know, I'm 5'9.5", so I really don't need them. My truck isn't lifted. I could just slide off of the seat, but this helps me prevent a little bit of wear, and that I can put some of my weight on my right foot when I get out, and just makes it a little more stable getting in and out of the truck. So anyway, I'm very happy with them. I would get them again. There's no other brand out there that I would get. Very satisfied, both aesthetically and from a functional standpoint, and how they've held out. Great quality. Anyway, I just want to get on, give you guys a little review of the side steps. They are again from N-Fab. There'll be a link down below if you're interested in checking out current pricing and availability. Also, real quick, if you're interested, I have 2 other channels. Rob Motive, all about my 2020 Toyota Tacoma back there. And Rob Motive Civic, all about my previous experiences with the Honda Civic hatch, both the hatch and the Honda Civic Type R. Check those out and subscribe if you would. Also, don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And do me a favor, hit that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.